quiet. You can tell the name.
Never mind. Cut it out.
Especially Yosi, Henry, Woodrow, Margaret, everybody that help out. Okay, mo ko ang alay ya di ale mo kile fa ya de la ko si aku de le pipa ku fa ku ya ko la ko 1 2 3 open it up ya ko lo la ile mo bye not going to say it. ES ale ngo boy ale ngo le ba before we went through everything, even my sister went online trying to look for names. Yeah, she's okay with it. She was happy with it. We got a name. Well, yeah, I've been naming all my girls too. So, you're a man.
You with the pants. You with the pants. And the shorts. Tak, hello, tak.
Stop looking.
Yeah, I'm honest, you know, like that. Oh, definitive sound.
My toe.
Charlotte, you so far from me and you telling me your toe.
No.
It's Danica, isn't it?
No.
It's Danica, huh?
Yeah.
Hey! Danica.
You guys can't open it until Doug says 3.
Everybody be honest, don't open it till Doug says so.
You can help it, don't say it.
No.
Can I have one?
Be honest. Look, the camera's on you. The eyes are the Lord. Run to and fro throughout the earth.
So be it.
Looking at you, open it. Stop rebelling.
Stop. You guys stop. Open it yet.
Right? Follow instructions.
Okay.
I see the name.
Wait. 1, 2, 3.
You ain't kidding.
Allah. Alexi. Allah. Wait, sounds right now. Well, there it is.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Devonna Maiava. That's a good name.
We'll save your name for my son, Desmond. The next 2 years.
All right.
Hey, what's the middle name?
I want the